How's it, guys? This is an introduction to the father-son duo behind this project. My name is Edward. I'm an engineering and racing enthusiast, father to 3 beautiful children and married to a stunning wife. This is my son Caleb, energetic and aspiring racing driver. He's been in a go-kart since he was 7 years old and wants to be an engineer someday. He's had his fair share of crashes, but also has earned the trophies to show that he's learnt his lessons. Combining our shared love of racing and projects with the dream of racing main circuit, we started building Caleb his first carbon composite Mini IndyCar. For those who know me, know that no project is too big, and we're excited to share this adventure with our friends, family, and fans from around the world. We'll be taking you along with us for the journey from design, fabrication, right through to the manufacturing process of all the various components. Various components being carbon fiber tub, carbon composite components, and CNC items. And hopefully onto the checkered flag, where we can all have some fun. Thanks for now.